Ready?
Can I try? Can I look through it?
Watch this. Roller coaster.
Ah! Ah!
Okay.
Can I try?
Can
Can I look?
I'm gonna get after I make a video. Well, actually, it's not one. After I make a video, you can.
With Amy.
Mark can't do it.
Let's go! Ready! Ready! Go!
Sharon, Brandon, and Sonia leaving.
Where's John?
Goodbye.
Harry, is that him coming? No.
The next one.
No, it's not.
Wait a minute. They're looking at us like we're a bunch of fools. We are.
You are a bunch of fools.
Where's John?
Yeah, he should be coming around. There he is.
There he is, up on the
Right
corner, right
around
at
the
the gas
corner.
station type thing, Mark.
Without two seatbelts? No. Yeah, they don't have the seatbelt.
If Jody has your seatbelt on, I'd be very.
John doesn't believe in him because of that accident he was
Yeah.
at. Look at her
Oh,
sticking
look
her
at
head up.
All right, everybody wait. Start, Amy. Start.
Let's go! Yay!
My God, she's out of the car.
Don't jump, we'll shoot you.
She did that with her prom dress. They went over the Montauk Bridge on the sunroof. So she could get out in the sunroof on the Montauk Bridge.
My dad's going snorkeling. Come on.
She is a sick person.
Mark, that's it.
Are those movies rewound?
Yes, they are.
Let's take a walk.
Where are we going?
Would they go to this shop and save?
Stop and shop.
Whatever.
Stop and shave.
Got that on tape.
His name is.
Alright, wait.
His name is.
Hold on. I'm giving this to Scott so I can turn on all the lights because this is our last night at Rhode Island in 1990. So
By the way, Mark.
here's Scott. Here.
Thank you, Mark. In the news today, we have a
Great!
young suicide. You guys want to see my tapes? I'll show you my tapes. This. Okay, ready? Wait, let me see.
Like half
what's
the
on.
people in the whole world cares.
So what? I'll show this to my brother. He won't care, but I'll show it to him anyway. Sorry about that. Should I have it on this or that?
Light.
Sunlight or light?
Light.
Light?
Light.
Good. Great. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, that's great. That's perfect. Okay, want to see my tapes?
No!
I'll show you my